sitting at home, minding my own business, and I hear this tapping on my house. I asked the missus, I said, "Is that you tapping, honey?" She says,
Not me, darling.
And then I said, "What do you think it is?" And she says,
I think it's a bird tapping on our house.
"A bird tapping on our house." That bird's in big trouble. Tap on a geezer's house. That bird's got another thing coming to it. If it thinks it can tap on my house, I'm gonna sneak up on him. I'm gonna grab him. That bird is gonna be a history. Be very quiet. We have to be quiet to sneak up on the bird. Now we're gonna see if there's any birds out here. No birds here. Let's check around this corner, see if there's any birds. Didn't see none. Let's check around this corner, see if there's any birds. Nope, no birds there. Aha! I see what's going on. You see my new brickwork? Nice, isn't it? They don't make that brick anymore. But, you know, I just needed something that looked right. Well, that's where the bird is. If there's no eggs, that bird's gonna be gone. There, you can see the brickwork we done. Nice. Needs to set up for a couple weeks. Again, I couldn't match it, but I think it looks okay. It's the back of the house. I just need to fix it up, pretty it up. So, we found the bird. If there's no eggs in there, I'm gonna take down the nest. There's eggs. I think it looked like a Carolina wren. So, they can build another nest pretty quick. Now I'm gonna look, see if there's any eggs. If there's no eggs, nope, no eggs. He's just getting started. So I'm gonna tear this down. This may seem cruel, but I'm gonna build a screened-in porch back here in the next few months, and by then there'd be eggs in there. So sorry, bird, you're gonna have to go. Now he can go build his nest in a safer place. The attack of the birds continues. I was in my house this morning. Heard, actually I heard playing around there. Came out here and 3 Carolina wrens again came flying out of my gutters. The first good rain, if they have eggs or chicks, those are going to be washed away, so they're not doing themselves any favors there. So let's just go up there with the little coat hanger here. Hope they don't have chicks. See, I have these gutter guards, which I like, but you know what? I'm not seeing too much stuff in here. Nope, that's a good thing. Don't have to uproot any birds. Well, I found the nest. When I looked before, they were just starting the nest. But now I've been painting my trim, and sure enough, there's a bird nest.
Boy from Munich.
There's still some in there, and if I leave too much in there, they may think, well, we'll just build another nest. I think if I get it all out, got it. Bird invasion over. I mean, I do love animals. I don't think you should ever be cruel to an animal or kill it unnecessarily. So this will actually probably save some Carolina wrens in the long run. Now, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I come out with a video every week. So enjoy.